Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable disappearing messages for 7 days on WhatsApp Web, right from your computer. This feature is part of the latest update, and it's perfect for keeping your chats clean and private without having to delete messages manually. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser and log in by scanning the QR code using your phone. Once your chats load on the screen, look to the left-hand side menu. You'll notice a small gear icon near the bottom. This is your settings button. Click on it to open your account settings. Now, from the settings menu, select privacy. This section allows you to control who can see your information, your last seen, profile photo, and more. But today, we're focusing on the new option for disappearing messages. Inside the privacy page, scroll down until you find default message timer. This is the key setting that determines how long new messages will stay visible in any chat before they disappear automatically. Click on Default Message Timer and you'll see a few options such as 24 hours, 7 days, and 90 days. Select the 7 days option. This means that every new message you send in chats from now on will automatically vanish after a week, keeping your space tidy and your conversations more private. Once you've selected 7 days, simply close your settings. There's no extra saving step required. WhatsApp updates it for you immediately. It's that easy. From now on, all your future chats will follow this setting. But remember, you can always turn disappearing messages off or change the duration at any time. It's your choice and you stay in control. And that's it. You've just enabled disappearing messages for 7 days on WhatsApp Web. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.